is the Benore's multifunctional survival shovel. Conveniently packed in the carrying case is a shovel head, spear, knife, axe, screwdriver, flint, whistle, and compass. The axe head is durable and can cut through branches with ease. And even has a super strong hammer on the back. Survival shovel set also comes with an emergency whistle, as well as a built-in glass breaker. Know exactly where you are with this compass, and also utilize the flat and Phillips head screwdriver. And when you're ready to start moving dirt, attach all the handles, tighten the collar, and start digging. One of the edges of the shovel head has saw teeth, which makes gathering firewood a breeze. The shovel head also rotates, so you can easily dig trenches.